In this series, we are going to study about how to control our tongue and what is the role of the tongue in our life and what does tongue do in our life, what is the destruction that it can bring in our life and what is the blessings that it can bring in our life. We are going to study about these things in this series. In the book of James, 3rd chapter, 2nd verse, it says, "For we all stumble in many ways, and if anyone does not stumble in what he says, he is a perfect man, able also to bridle his whole body." It says, if anyone does not stumble in what he says, he is a perfect man. A man is counted perfect by his words. A man is counted as great by his words. A man is counted wise by what he doesn't speak and what he speaks. The Bible teaches us if a man can bridle his tongue, if a man can control his tongue, or if a man can watch over his tongue, if a man can have authority over his tongue, and if he can control his tongue, he is counted as perfect. If he can control his tongue, the Bible teaches us he will be also able to bridle his whole body. That's a big secret. If you want to bridle your whole body, if you want to control your whole body, then practice to control your tongue. If you are able to control your tongue, if you are able to keep a control over your tongue, your whole body will be under your control. You can control your whole body. You will have the power to control your whole body. Today, let us understand this tongue plays a very important role in our life. Let us learn to bridle our tongue. Let us learn to speak the right words. Let us learn to speak things which we ought to speak, and let us not speak things we should not speak. And Bible counts a person who controls his tongue as a perfect